Hi, Jason with Straightline Performance and RSI Racing. We're here today with the 2023 Skidoo Neo. So now we've been doing some extensive testing the last couple months on and off with this Neo. We've got our new single pipe and complete clutch kit. These are awesome bolt-ons for the Neo Plus. So we've got our brand new Neo Plus here, just off the track, off the trail. Let's get in, we'll talk about the two components and what you can look at gaining. All right, we've just taken apart the Neo Plus here. Let's get into some of the products and talk a little bit about what we see with the Neo Plus here. So we've got a single pipe installed here, not coated. They will come ceramic coated. This one's actually a production pipe, just has an EGT in it for development testing. And then we've got a complete clutch kit. Lots of talk in the industry about how fast does the Neo go, what RPM does it run. So our test development on two machines shows that the Neo will run between 60 and 65 miles an hour. So now granted, every time we talk about that, I'm 250 pounds with my gear on. So a smaller child obviously will run a lot faster than that. That's on a hard packed snow trail about 1,000 feet long. So the biggest differences we're looking at here is we are picking up a lot of horsepower with the single pipe and then tuning it with the clutch kit. So in all, adding a single pipe, adding a clutch kit, we're nearing 75 miles an hour with these components. So a great solid gain for anybody that's looking to advance that Neo Plus to the next step. The greatest part about these two components is they bolt on, no tuning needed whatsoever. So let me emphasize that nothing needs to be done except for put the single pipe on and the clutch kit to the spec. So as you come and look here, we've got our fit finish completely in here. We are mated to the stock muffler here. You can use a straight line muffler setup for the Neo. So that is an addition if you want a little different, deeper tone and sound. Our original development here is completely because we want to make sure that we're running into the stock muffler if that's what you want to do. There was no difference running the straight line muffler or the stock Neo muffler. So just a difference in tone. Our mufflers are very, very quiet, so there will be no issues whatsoever with a decibel problem in the market. So the clutch kit, which is really neat here, comes with all the components. So you get two new springs, a new helix, a set of adjustable straight line weights, and a set of clickers. So one big disadvantage with the Neo is it comes locked from the factory when it comes to clutching. There is nothing that you can do to make a change. So the biggest difference to have an adjustable weight and to have a clicker is quite a big difference when you're talking the average person out there. Our clutch kits come with all the settings ready to go. So put the clutch kit in, set it up as we tell you, and go ride. The nice thing about it is that if there is a difference, because we are dealing with smaller kids in that 10 to 15 age group that might only weigh 100 pounds, the kit is completely adjustable from that 100 to a 250 pound rider as us in the field. Fun factor on it is awesome. So we ride a lot of 600Rs, 600 EFIs, 850s in our shop all the time. This goes from kind of a docile sled out in the field. It is very tame, but very smooth, to a very fun riding machine. On and off the gas, it's very responsive. Your 0 to 50 is fast. So it changes the whole aspect of how it runs. So all in all, you're looking at that somewhere between the 10 and 15 mile an hour range gain, but fun factor goes up, acceleration goes up, fit and finish is the same stuff you've seen with the straight line products for years. So these are available now. If we make changes and upgrades, and we always do over the years, all the consumers that are buying these components will be notified and say, we've got a new change, we've got an update. We're always going to be advancing, so be aware, pay attention to straightlineperformance.com and the YouTube out there. So any adjustments that do happen, you'll be up on par. Nothing will happen that you'll have to purchase new products. You'll just be adding new stuff to them. So Any questions? Go ahead and give us a call at the shop or email us.